My name is Sushil Warrier. I work with Ofaith Technologies as the head of business development. Ofaith Technologies is a 17-year-old company. We started out in 2003. We are into the software development stage for a long time. We have three business verticals. One is Ofaith Technologies, the other one is Mindster, and the third one is Ofaith UX. And we are based out of Bangalore and Calicut, and we are close to around 120 employees. Quality assurance is actually one of the most important factor when it comes to any product. So in a software development company, since we are manufacturing products and services for many clients, it is very important that whatever is being given out to our customers and to their customers is of highest quality. So one of the main things is testing when it comes to quality assurance. So we can write very good codes, we can have very good designs, but unless and until it is tested, we will not know whether it is of the highest quality. So testing is needed to make sure that the product which is going into the market is of highest quality. So testing is one of the most important things. Testworks is a very known company to us. We have been associated with them for quite a while, and they are located very near to us here in Calicut, and that is one of the reasons. The other reason is that they have very good engineers, and we are very comfortable working with Testworks, and over a period of time we have built up a very good rapport with the team, and our team also finds it very comfortable to work with Testworks, and they have very good engineers, and they have a very good environment, and they have given us very good results as well. So for us to have an in-house testing team is not viable. So because testing requires a special set of skills and a special set of people. Though we have a team which is into development, we outsource the testing so that we are not biased. When it is done by an external agency, we will have a very honest input coming back to us. That is what we feel. And Testworks has got very good tools and they have good engineers. So that is one of the reasons why we chose Testworks, and we have done quite a few projects wherein we had Testworks coming and giving us very good results, letting us know where we are wrong and how we can rectify it as well. Testworks has, as I mentioned earlier, Testworks has got very good engineers. So it is just not engineers who will give us the result. They also need to have very good tools. Testing requires a lot of tools to work with. So Testworks, what we found was they have updated tools with them, and they have good quality engineers. So that is one of the reasons why we are working with Testworks. We have many projects in the pipeline, and our development team is in touch with Testworks team. We do have some projects going on at this moment, and we do have more projects coming in. So definitely we will be working with Testworks on the future projects and see how it goes further. As a company, they have given us very good service, and we are quite happy with them. So definitely we will share this happiness with others.